Hi and welcome to Transformation Mafia, where every video is created to transform your health, finances, and overall wellness for the better. Today we are going to cover the best types of online businesses to start in 2019. Before we begin today's video, I want to share our #1 recommendation for how to make money online. This course is how we started, and how you can too. For more information, click the link in the description. Now let's get into the video. 1. Ebook writing. Have you ever thought about becoming an author? Nowadays you don't have to be a professional author to publish a book. Everyday people are sharing their knowledge through ebook. This is accomplished through Amazon's Kindle publishing. For more information, visit kdp.amazon.com. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is my personal favorite. Do you want to make money online but don't want to sell your own products? Then this is the perfect business model for you. There isn't any need to spend money on your own products or inventory. In order to make money with affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products. The largest affiliate platform is Amazon Associates, however, the largest commissions come from promoting online products and services. These can be found on clickbank.com. You can create blogs and YouTube videos, then promote products and services. For direct teaching on affiliate marketing, click the link in the description. 3. Amazon FBA. If you are interested in selling your own products and services, then Amazon FBA is a great option. Through this business model you create your own product, and sell it on the Amazon marketplace. It's a win-win for everyone. Amazon gets paid monthly for your ability to access their website as a selling platform. And you get to tap into a billion-dollar website that has massive upside to sell on. For more information, Kevin David does a fantastic job teaching this. You can search his YouTube channel for lots of awesome info on how to get started. That's all the advice in today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found value from this video, please give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe for more awesome future content.